Do you want to turn your boring text into eye-popping 3D graphics in minutes? Forget complicated software, forget long tutorials. I'll show you the easiest way to do it using only Photopea. So the very first thing you want to do is have your project. If you already have an existing project, that's just fine. But the main thing is you want to have some text on your canvas. So I'm going to type in text on my canvas using the Devonshire font, I believe. Now I'm going to go ahead and scale it up by hitting Ctrl-Alt-T and dragging it all the way up. Now for the sake of the video, I'm just going to turn the background to a dark gray. So I was just experimenting with text and I figured out this really cool new method to make 3D text with some help from someone in my Discord. So the first thing you want to do with your text is double click on it, go to bevel and emboss, and you can copy my settings. But it doesn't hurt to change it a little bit depending on what you're trying to do. I'm going to change the style to outer bevel, keep the technique as smooth, keep this at up. For the depth, I'm going with about 340. For the size, I'm going with about 10. Soften, keep it at 0. Keep the angle as is. For the contour, go ahead and click on that drop down arrow. And I went with this one right here. So as you can see, it already looks awesome. Like it almost looks like it's a metallic border around the text. But we're just getting started. It's going to be super easy. Next up, go ahead and add an inner glow. Change the blend mode to color dodge. Leave the opacity the same. Leave the noise at 0 and change the color to white. Leave the spread at 0. The size you can go with about 12. Everything else you can leave the same. Lastly, go to 3D and check that box. Change the angle to -60 is what I'm going to go with. Change the color of the 3D to black. And adjust the distance to about 100 and the shrink to about 30. Now you can just click OK. Now we're going to add a new layer, so go down to the bottom right of your screen and click on new layer. Then right click on it and click on clipping mask. Make sure it's right above your text or it will not work. Then go ahead and get your brush tool on the left side of your screen and change the color to whatever you want. I'm going to go with red. And then hold Alt and right click and adjust your brush so that it looks really soft and is about this big. Then go ahead and draw on some color to your text. Might even go a little bit bigger. Keep some black in there and boom. It looks insane, guys. Don't even lie. It looks crazy. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to hold Control and click both the clipping mask and the text. Right click on it and click on Convert to Smart Object. From here, double click on the text layer again, and this time add a stroke. Change the color to white and turn the size all the way down. And adjust the opacity a bit. This way it just adds an outline around even the 3D part, but you don't have to. It's up to you. You could even go with like a dark gray. You just pretty much want it to look like a border around it so it looks even more 3D. So from this point, you're going to want to have Super Bloom, and if you don't have it, I'll show you how to get it right now. Go up to the top left and click on Window, Plugins, and either search it up or find it right here. It's called Super Bloom. Click on it and click Install. Once it's installed, click this X and it should be over here on the right side of your screen. Click on it. I would just adjust the brightness, and once you're done, click Add to Document. If it's too bright, go ahead and adjust the opacity of it. So you can see on like a dark black background, it looks really awesome. And it was super easy to do. So if you guys want even more tutorials like this, you know what to do. Hit subscribe, comment down below any video ideas you have, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Later. Before you go, don't forget to check out my website for tons of bonus content like my exclusive courses, graphics packs, and socials like my Discord server. If you want to level up your designs even faster, consider joining the CAMBIT Creates channel membership. You'll get access to a folder packed with hundreds of effects, copyright-free music, and more to take your content to the next level. Hit that join button or check the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Keep creating.